Okay, bro. Uh, let's work this in the like a key of G. This is a key of G. Okay, on this shape now. Okay. So most time when you're playing your praise like if you play songs like this. Okay. That is how you bring out your songs. It sounds nice. It got more harmonies to it. Okay, put some melodies. Make it sound good. It's not just playing. No. As an advanced player, you don't need to play like that. You need to add some harmonies to whatever you play. Stuff like I played earlier and stuff like okay. Just so do re mi do so mi do so fa mi. Okay, stuff like that. You're gonna sounds good, sounds better. Okay. Okay, stuff like that. Always slide your note. Don't always play. Slide your note. Okay. Okay. Okay, stuff like that. Okay. Stuff like that. Okay, you apply some melodies to your playing, make it sound good. Okay, make it sound better. So when you're improvising, okay, you are the Lord. You never say your glory. Your glory, everybody. Okay, stuff like that. You can make it get more rhythm inside. Okay, make your rhythm more effective and harmonizing. Okay, you are the Lord. Go now to your vow. You will never say your glory. You will never say your glory. Almighty God. I'm going to my Ray. I'm kind of playing a kind of A major, playing a kind of A major. But I add my do there. Okay, just like playing. But I add do there. Okay. That is a kind of augmented chord. I'll teach you more about that. Just like playing Ray. Okay. But I played my do. I play it this way. Okay. Go to the saw now. You are the Lord of never share your glory. Your glory to anybody. When stuff like that, you can start harmonizing and stuff like that. It sounds better, it sounds good. So wherever you don't understand, okay, you can hit me back and I'll give you more feedbacks about that. Okay, but at first listen very carefully. I believe you played. Okay.